Hello everybody, my name is Teacher Darling. I am from Philippines. I am a certified English teacher. I have a bachelor's degree on secondary education and I have a TEFL certificate. I love teaching. I love teaching children. It is blue, blue, blue. Well done. Purple, purple. Well done. This is red, red. Red. Good job. What color is it? Yellow. 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 And this is my friend SpongeBob. He is yellow. It's the best day ever. What animal is it? A tiger. Tiger. Well done, tiger. Very good. And I keep my class fun, interesting, and engaging. So here are my friends that will help you learn more. We are going to sing, to dance, and I hope to see you and welcome you here in Novakid. Thank you.